crazy. Somebody.
I don't know who it was.
We just had a whole runaround a minute ago type shit. Nigga, the meat already started off good, nigga. Let's get it, bro.
Y'all know what I say though. We go.
Yo. Man, we in this hoe, man. We trying to see what type of shit they on tonight. On God. Go ahead. On that, we on that shit tonight, boy. Trying to see all the cars and shit. I know. You see niggas running, everybody start running.
Entonces coge el feeling y el rol es aquí. Que esta noche a ti te toque, esta noche para ti. Digo, si tú quieres la abrir, frena. Si tú quieres la abrir.
Nothing, man. Not on nothing. Crazy hell.
You know what I'm saying? I'm with the crew. I'm with the
Okay. Type shit.
I did hear that shit was hard.
You heard that shit? Shit was hard. Oh God. Oh God. So we just rating cars and shit? Alright,
I love that motherfucker. That be hard to me.
This?
I love old school BMW. The older BMW get, that motherfucker get better. Where to? Real car niggas know. Best body build on a BMW car.
Fuck no. What you gotta say?
Back to the future.
My girl talking about that's a DeLorean. That's an old Camaro. I'm on your shit. On God.
Who's here?
Oh, he be dragging this motherfucker.
I'm dead.
Look at him with it.
I'm dead.
Tell that
Hey. Oh God.
I don't know. They don't.
Oh, so you don't turn it. That's just to record. You gotta hit the side button.
Oh yeah.
Nigga, at first I was like, dude, they hoeing right now. We really wasted gas on God though. We did not have to call them niggas, bro. I mean, it was only 12 minutes down, but.
I mean, that's your fault.
That shit was hard though.
You wasn't the leader with all the info.
Nigga, no.
I ain't gonna lie, it was my fault. I said follow them niggas.
See? No, and I was following y'all. I was like, oh shit, we clean. That's fucking tough though.
Yeah, it was scoot.
Burger King.
Nigga.
Hell no.
Nigga, I was trying to scoot with y'all, nigga. I was like, oh hell no. No. You wanna know why? I was trying to. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. I was tweaking. That's a Scion. Or a Toyota G86. Yeah, the motherfucker says most wanted on the motherfucker, boy. Need for speed. Y'all know nothing about that. That's before y'all time. We got a wide body scat.
Where that badge at? Where that badge at?
Man. Got a nice little 5.0 right here. So nothing crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all not touching that motherfucker right there. Y'all not touching that motherfucker right there. Hell no. Hell no, y'all not touching that shit.
I know y'all gonna be hot as fuck though.
Why you got me on here? Hey, y'all go follow, y'all go get the brand. Precious Life, my boy Danny. Shout out to you, boy. Hey,
I mean, that shit hard, but that shit hot as fuck, nigga.
I'm cool, bro. Got a polo tee on it, nigga. I'm good.
This nigga trying to die like a motherfucker, boy. Hell no. Man, ain't nothing going down right now. I'm about to go ahead and pause my shit, man. That motherfucker was going stupid. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, your ass bold. Your ass bold. Your ass bold. That nigga went in the middle. Hell nah.
You wild out.
No, you bold.
Jump on that shit, bro.
I should have jumped in that shit.
Bold as fuck, nigga. Hell no. And that boy turns in the front. Oh, damn, that nigga turns in the front. Hell no. God damn! Hey, that shit hit me in my fucking nose. That shit smacked the fuck out of me, nigga. God, nigga, smack me in my face, nigga.
Eating the ground on my mama.
Nigga.
He said, I want to be on a t-shirt. I want to be on a t-shirt.
No.
That's what he said.
Oh shit. Oh my goodness, we're running from a 12. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, yo, Bennett. Oh, we out there. Hell. Check it in. Here, get in. Here, get in, nigga. Oh, shit. Peep that shit. I saw the what's it called? Let's go. Wait, what's it going on? Y'all, bro, we going crazy tonight, boy.
Oh Lord.
Going crazy.
I saw 12. I was like, let's go.
Then I started moving.
At first, it was that white Camaro. That was the first one.
Yeah. Okay.
And then it was the one with the bumper. That's how I knew it was 12. What happened to them? Tires falling off and shit?
Probably what happened. His tire. That's probably his.
Damn! Y'all saw that nigga tire fall
Yo,
off?
you saw that nigga tire in the Mustang?
He thought it was you. He said, come on, bro.
Hell no, hell no, hell no. Nah, but I don't do stay right here though. Alright, bet. Where you wanna go? Keep going down. Hey, we gonna keep going down.
What's up, man? It's about Vanity, man. We back in this bitch with another motherfucking video vlog, boy. You know the motherfucking CarMeet. Y'all know we only do this shit at night. What we do at night? We run for them laws. Looking at fuck them niggas.
Man, look, we got some dude right here. Hell yeah.
This ain't
Niggas said spread like a motherfucker, boy. Everybody got out that motherfucker quick as hell. On God. Nigga, where your vlog? I know you didn't start your vlog. I know you didn't.
Started as soon as the stage started spinning.
Shit, I had to make sure, nigga. I had to make sure we on that shit. Alright, bet. Yes, sir.
Press the car.
Nigga, that cop damn near cut me off.
I know, I saw it.
You saw him?
Yeah.
Nigga. Cause you was right behind me, right? I put it, you was right behind me? Hell yeah. Cause nigga, I was going and the next thing you know, I saw a cop block the street off and I'm like, no, did he get Terrence? And then, how'd you get around that? What's that?
Number 3 out.
Already? Let's go. Oh, we gotta wait. No, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. Go get him that beat.
She got a charge.
It's my mama's car, cat. My car.
Damn, you and your mama whip? I mean, shit, you still got wheels though. You still whip that motherfucker though.
No, because I just wrecked my car, so I got
What you got?
a little Ford Focus, but just
I mean,
wait.
shit.
It's my year. Just wait. It's my year.
I'm saying.
Might as well take this motherfucker from their mama.
Y'all trying to ride together to that bitch?
Shit. We in there. We got somebody in the bathroom. They had to go pee. Pissy booty ass.
A damn scooter.
Yeah.
Don't fucking play with them.
Don't fucking play with them. How do I zoom in and shit, bro? They work. They're cutting out all of them. I bet. Can you see my side, Tara? I can't see my side.
Sorry, my bad. That's Terrence.
That look scared me. Hell.
Wait. Pizza. That's the cop right there.
Did I?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
He just right there. Oh.
Bro don't even give a fuck. I'm off. I'm going home,
Clocked
motherfucker. I'm going home.
He probably did his thing. They said follow him. That's what he did. Type shit. Maybe federal. Go rob.
Type shit. Damn, motherfuckers was sliding they shit though. They was sliding they shit on God. They was sliding they shit. I'm already knowing. Niggas. Crazy as hell.
Extra in town right there, bro.
Right where?
Certified license. Yeah, you heard it. That power, that nigga shit. That nigga get a little extra jump to that motherfucker.
Fuck no. That motherfucker said, go home too hot, stay safe. That's exactly what it said. The post, the man, the dude. Nigga, the dude that be telling everybody to go to the spots. He just said, it's too hot, go home, stay safe. That's what he said.
It's over with.
Type shit. Now I'ma wait, cause.
Call it right now. Make her home.
What's he at?
That nigga said I missed the turn. He was trying to keep up. He couldn't keep up.
Shit, but we gotta wait for him to get here anyway, cause. Hell no. We gotta wait for him to get here anyway, cause I ain't trying to leave the nigga.
That was crazy. Y'all said catch up. I said all right.
Nigga,
yeah.
I was like, I see hella charges.
I was going. I know y'all. I was going like.
No, cause I was gonna start cutting up too, but I was waiting for you to catch up. I didn't know you was that close.
I didn't know I was that close. When you said catch up, we was going like 70. And then I said, if I'm gonna leave that nigga, we started
They
going
was
like
pushing
110.
they shit, bro, and we was right behind them,
110.
going to shit. You was pushing that motherfucker, boy.
I know how to whip it.
Man, oh God, she was whipping that motherfucker. That's probably why you crashed that hoe though. Trying to die. She's trying to die. Taking a curb at 100.
I took a screw roll at 80, nigga, like a dumbass. I spun out.
Fuck no.
I didn't make no body damage. I fucked up like my axle or my tire roll.
Okay.
Makes sense. Okay. Type shit.
You carry that motherfucker. Scared.
Man. Y'all out of here, man? Y'all out of here?
Got a little event going on.
Oh, shit. All right, bet.
All right, man.
We found another spot to go to.
I heard.
Be safe.
Of course.
Love y'all niggas, man.
And be safe on the way. Yeah, be safe on the way back, my boy.
Already, man. Hey, bitch, we gonna link back up. I don't know what's going on.
CarMeet tomorrow, my boy.
Tomorrow?
Yes,
We
sir.
gonna be back with something.
Hell yeah.
All right, y'all. Y'all be safe, man.
All right, bro. Where's that motherfucker, man? Oh, hey, what your shit do?
Yeah, they got that poop.
Got that boom, 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 boom. Go ahead. Crazy.
I think that might be the end.
Now that might be the end. I don't know, no cap.
Hot right now.
Where?
I don't know, I'm chatting.
Man, don't chat like that, man.
I thought it was.
I broke my ass over there. Crazy. We got this hoe though. We got a nice little, you know what I'm saying, nice little event going on.
That constant outro.
Man, some crazy shit.